Have you ever asked yourself a simple question? If your job disappeared tomorrow, how long could you continue paying your bills without panicking? For many Canadians, the answer is only a few weeks or maybe a couple of months. That's because most people depend on one paycheck to support their entire lifestyle. But financially successful people think differently. Instead of relying on a single source of income, they gradually build additional streams that continue generating money outside their regular 9-to-5 job. The goal isn't to quit working overnight. The goal is to create financial security so that your future no longer depends on one employer. Today, we're looking at how many Canadians are building wealth beyond their full-time job and why this strategy has become more important than ever in 2026. The first method is long-term investing. Many successful Canadians invest consistently in diversified ETFs and dividend-paying companies. Rather than trying to predict the market, they invest a fixed amount every month and allow compound growth to work over time. As their investments grow, dividend payments can create an additional source of passive income that requires very little ongoing effort. The earlier someone begins investing, the more powerful compounding becomes. It's not about investing huge amounts at once. It's about remaining consistent for many years. The second strategy is freelancing and flexible side work. Thousands of Canadians now earn extra income by offering skills they already have. Graphic design, writing, bookkeeping, video editing, tutoring, programming, consulting, photography, and virtual assistants are just a few examples. Even working a few evenings each week can generate meaningful extra income that can be invested instead of spent. The beauty of freelancing is that your income grows as your skills improve. Unlike a traditional job where raises may happen once a year, freelancing allows you to increase your rates as your experience grows. Another popular approach is creating digital assets that continue earning money after the initial work is finished. This could include online courses, printable templates, digital products, stock photography, blogs, YouTube channels, ebooks, or educational resources. These projects usually require significant effort at the beginning, but once they are published, they can continue generating income for months or even years with relatively little maintenance. That's why many people refer to them as assets instead of jobs. They continue working even when you are not actively creating new content every day. Of course, none of these methods produce instant results. This is where many people give up too early. They try investing for a few months and expect huge returns. They launch a freelance service but quit after only a handful of clients. They upload a few videos or create one digital product and become discouraged when success doesn't happen immediately. The reality is that building wealth usually takes much longer than most people expect. One helpful mindset is the 90-day rule. Instead of judging your progress after only a week or two, commit to consistently working toward one financial goal for at least 90 days before deciding whether it's working. During those 3 months you'll gain experience, improve your skills, and begin building momentum that simply isn't possible if you quit after a few unsuccessful attempts. Consistency often matters far more than speed. Another mistake many people make is trying to build 5 different income streams at once. They invest a little, start a business, launch a YouTube channel, begin freelancing, and try selling products all at the same time. The result is usually frustration because none of those efforts receive enough attention to succeed. A better approach is choosing one path that matches your current skills, interests, and available time. Focus on improving that one income stream until it becomes reliable. Then use the extra income it creates to build the next opportunity. Over time, these income streams begin supporting each other. Investment income buys more investments. Freelance income funds your portfolio. Digital products generate cash flow that helps you expand your business. This gradual approach often creates far stronger long-term results than constantly chasing the next opportunity. At the end of the day, building wealth isn't really about earning the highest salary. Plenty of high-income earners still struggle financially because every dollar they earn is immediately spent. Real wealth is about control. It's about having choices. The freedom to handle unexpected expenses without stress. The freedom to take time off when needed. The freedom to retire comfortably or spend more time with your family. Every additional income stream gives you a little more control over your future. That's why so many financially successful Canadians continue building assets even while keeping their full-time jobs. They understand that wealth isn't created overnight. It's built through small, consistent actions repeated over many years. So this week, challenge yourself to choose one path. Open an investment account, learn a new freelance skill, start planning a digital product, or simply create a strategy for earning your first extra $100 each month. Don't worry about becoming wealthy overnight. Focus on building one additional stream of income and improving it month after month. Because financial freedom rarely comes from one paycheck alone. It comes from creating multiple ways for your money to work for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Canadian investing and personal finance content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.